This is Digit. Digit is designed to work in human spaces, to work around people, in environments that are easy for people to navigate and to work in, but typically are not accessible to robots. We're really excited to announce we've just closed a $20 million investment round led by DCVC and Playground Global, among others, to build a really excellent consortium of investors. And that's going to let us really get our Digit robots into customers' hands, doing useful work in the world. Industrial robots are designed to do one task over and over and over, and to do it well, you design the whole process around the robot and the whole environment around the robot. But there's always going to be spaces and jobs that are designed around humans, designed around us, because this is our world. If robots are going to be effective and useful to us, they're going to have to work on our terms, in our space. Having Digit work in human spaces means Digit is going to be able to do a wide variety of different tasks. Things like package handling in warehouses, or indoor and outdoor delivery, or inspecting hazardous workplaces, or any application that requires the basic abilities and shape of a person. We're producing Digit now, and we're delivering Digit to customers. We're building on 15 years of our own research work. We're also building on a whole community's worth of work, studying biomechanics of how animals move, and studying the basic physics of how do we make robots move that way. To get Digit to operate in our spaces, these robots need to not necessarily look like us, but they need to move like us. At Agility Robotics, we made our first robot, Cassie. Cassie was just a pair of legs. It was very useful for us to build a culture of building products and supporting products for customers, and we got them out there to some of the top universities in the world. Now with Digit, we add perception, we add path planning, we add awareness of the world around us, we add arms. This whole body behavior is really a hallmark of the human capability, and now robot capability as well. This technology just didn't exist in a way that could be implemented a small number of years ago, and it's going to change things. With the automobile, we had to build roads. With legged robots, we've already built the infrastructure. Legged robots are going to change the world as much as the automobile did. Robots that are our form factor, live in our spaces. Now that we have the technology and know how to do that, now that they're starting to be useful, it's going to grow, it's going to grow, it's going to grow. And you're going to see robots delivering packages back in warehouses, doing the backroom work, and getting to be more and more useful and helpful in our lives. This version of Digit is ready to go. It's ready to go to our customers and start doing useful work, and that's what this investment is going to let us do.